Truckers, mount up. This is Truck Report with Marcus Lewis, sponsored by now the Late Bloomer Trucking Network. Let's get into this headline in trucking today. For decades, CB radios were the heartbeat of the highway. They kept us connected, warned us about wrecks, and gave us a lifeline on the road. But now many drivers say they've gone silent. Not because the radios are broken, but because the airways are filled with racial slurs and hateful talk. What once kept us safe now divides us. Some truckers leave them on mute, even though they know those radios could save lives. Truckers are saying it's time to take the power back. If drivers stand together and shut down the hate, we can make CBs useful again. The same unity that moves freight across America can clean up those channels too. Here's a question for truckers. When was the last time you used your CB radio on the road? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you see why winning truckers never get caught off guard? Click the link in the bio to join the Late Bloomer Trucking Club to always stay ready. That's it for this Trucker Report. I'm Marcus Lewis. As always, truckers, keep your head on the swivel, stay safe, stay sharp, and let's make trucking great again. Truckers, if you're tired of getting screwed in the trucking industry, you're not alone. Brokers lie, rates keep dropping, and there's no real information out there to help truckers win. That's why I built the Late Bloomer Trucking Club. No sugarcoating, no fake advice that doesn't work, just real numbers, real advice, and a real trucking community that wants to see you win. So if you're done getting screwed in this industry and ready to start winning, click the link in the description below and join the Late Bloomer Trucking Club today.